We are here on behalf of the DMK and our leader MK Stalin in solidarity with the youth of this country who are protesting against the injustice done to them. The DMK has been against these entrance examinations and the NEET exam. We've been calling for a ban and doing away with the NEET examinations. When the DMK was in government in Tamil Nadu, we passed a law in the assembly to ban NEET. The governor refused to sign it for months, and then now it is with the president and waiting to be signed and approved. We have been consistently saying that these NEET examinations are against the underprivileged students of this country. It was designed to go wrong, to go against the rural students of this country. We are today in solidarity with the students of this nation who've come together to protest against these examinations, who've come here to hold the government accountable for what it's been doing. The DMK has been consistently saying that the union government should not handle education. It is a state subject and it should be given back to the states. So we've seen the violence unleashed on the students. Our leader has condemned it. And today he has sent our parliamentary members here this morning. A few of us went to see the people who've been hurt because of the violence unleashed on them by the government. They were not allowed to meet, many of them. And we've come here to express our solidarity and stand with the schools of this country.
Mr. J.P. Nadda and Jitendra Singh went to Gurgaon and met Sonam Wangchuck currently on the hunger strike. Even requested in that discuss what you think of that.
I think there should be a conversation. The government should talk to the people who are protesting. It is no point, trying to stop a protest. I mean, every government has held talks with protesters, try to find a solution. Unfortunately, this government does not want to come forth to hold a discussion in Parliament, neither does it want to have a dialogue with the protesters.
Remember, the leader of opposition, Mr. Gandhi, staged a protest outside Prime Minister's residence. They were taken up. Akhilesh Yadav and his party were also taken off. What do you make of that, ma'am? Especially, I'll also add something. Aam Aadmi Party said that Prime Minister planted him there, he led him there, they stand exposed. How come we cannot even stop our car then and he's allowed to protest? What do you make of both these things?
You've seen how the protesters, the young protesters,